and welcome to brand new edition of Future Bites. I'm Isha coming to you from Dilwalon Ki Delhi with my co-host and dost Sami from the city of Bollywood, Mumbai. We will be bringing you the latest happenings and news at Future Group.
Namaste, a warm welcome to you all. This is Sami, joining you from Mumbai, a city that never sleeps.
Trust me, it's great to be a part of this great ride.
Absolutely. Let's get going to our first segment, Shop Talk.
Well, that is jam-packed with fun and exciting news. The masterclass at Food Hall, the great exchange, and of course, the build-up leading to the second edition of Mr. and Miss FBB contest.
By the way, Isha, what's your favorite dessert?
Anything that's chocolatey. Cupcakes, cheesecakes with creamy frostings. My mouth is already watering now.
In that case, our first news will make envious to all Bangaloreans as our celebrity chef Pooja Dhingra dished out some lip-smacking desserts at Food Hall, Bengaluru.
Hello, welcome to Food Hall. Today we are with Miss Pooja Dhingra, who will be showcasing on cupcakes, rose cupcake and chocolate cupcake today.
So we're going to start with the vanilla cupcake. We have baking powder, 2 eggs, flour, half the milk. Perfect. So the last step now, what we're going to do is we're going to pour apple cider vinegar over our baking soda. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pipe this out. Ready to decorate? Thank you for having me here. It's always such a great pleasure to come and work with the Food Hall team. Really an honor to be associated with a brand like Food Hall.
FBB is not only going to make India thoda aur stylish, but is also going to add a glam quotient to our group.
Yes, Mr. and Mrs. FBB contest is the perfect platform to spot the fashion fiestas. Let's have a look at how it is building up at our group.
फैशन जो पर्सन होता है उसकी पर्सनैलिटी बताता है
जो हमारी पर्सनैलिटी को सूट करता है, हमारी पर्सनैलिटी को लवेबल बनाता है, तो वो हमारा फैशन होता है।
फैशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि पर्सन की पर्सनालिटी शो करती है।
अगर आप फैशन करते हैं तो अच्छा ड्रेसिंग, इयररिंग्स, बैंगल्स सारा मैचिंग्स होता है। एक स्टोर ये ऐसा है कि हमें यहाँ पे फैशन ही दिखाना है।
FBB इज़ अ फास्ट फैशन, बहुत ही बड़ा सभी के लोगों के लिए है।
FBB मेरा स्टोर है।
लास्ट 2 मंथ से पहले बता दिए थे हम लोगों के कंपटीशन होना है।
ये फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है मेरे लिए और लकीली मैं सिलेक्ट भी हो गई हूँ। जोनल राउंड से अगर मैं नेशनल राउंड में सिलेक्ट होती हूँ तो पक्का तैयारी ज़्यादा कुछ होगी।
Bring in your junks, take new items at up to 25% discount is the mantra this season. Isn't that offer worth enough to refresh your entire house, Sami?
That's not all, Isha. A new plan is brewing up at our group to involve the common man. The concept is naive, customer journalist.
हाय, मैं अमित हूँ और मैं अभी इस वक्त कांदीवली बिग बाज़ार में खड़ा हूँ। मैं बिग बाज़ार का रेगुलर कस्टमर हूँ और इनका जो एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम है मैं हर साल यूज़ करता हूँ, लेकिन इस बार मैंने इनको मिस कॉल दिया और मुझे इन्होंने एक SMS भेजा जिसमें मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे अपना जंक यहाँ पे लाने के लिए बोला। मेरे पास अभी जंक में आयन और एक मिक्सर है। मैंने जंक तो लाया है, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है चलिए देखते हैं। मेरे जंक का वैल्यूएशन हो गया है और मुझे एक रिसिप्ट मिला है। इसको दिखा के मैं इनके डिस्काउंट कूपन्स ले सकता हूँ और उसके बाद मुझे बिग बाज़ार, फूड बाज़ार और FBB फैशन के लिए जितने भी डिस्काउंट होंगे उनके लिए मैं अवेल कर सकता हूँ।
सर आपका 250 का कूपन है। ओके। देखिए फूड में आपको 8 टाइम शॉपिंग करना पड़ेगा, उसमें आपको 12.5% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। कपड़े में आपको 4 टाइम शॉपिंग करना पड़ेगा, उसमें 25% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। अगर आपको पूरा यूज़ करना है 250 का तो फूड में आपको 10% डिस्काउंट के हिसाब से 8 टाइम शॉपिंग करना पड़ेगा और कपड़े में 25% के हिसाब से आपको 4 टाइम शॉपिंग करना पड़ेगा।
और प्रोडक्ट पे जो भी डिस्काउंट रहेगा वो मुझे मिलेगा।
हाँ, पहला जो बिग बाजार का ऑफर है डिस्काउंट वाला वो माइनस होके एक्सचेंज कूपन टोटल जो सब टोटल हो जाएगा उसके ऊपर माइनस हो जाएगा एक्सचेंज।
habit of Future Group to serve messages of top-notch people to all the employees.
Yes, we are indeed glad to hear from Future's Learning Chief, Ika Chaturvedi. Let's find out what she has to say.
Namaste Ika, welcome to Future Bytes.
Dhanyavad for the warm reception that I'm getting on Future Bytes.
Could you elaborate the role of future learning vis-a-vis several of our formats in the overall development of our group?
We've done a basic realignment of the business. So we are now realigned to the government business, to our corporate business and center of excellence. A large part of our corporate business, so while the government business focuses on the sourcing, skilling and placement and at entry-level jobs, both for Future Group and for the corporate world at large, it's actually the buzz in the corporate segment that you will see a lot of. So the corporate segment, we have two key clients, the Future Group itself, which is bread and butter, karta dharta aur hamare apne, and the external corporate world. There's going to be a lot of synergy, so there's a lot of work that we do externally in the mid-management space, in the leadership space, very innovative programs, which we have so far not rolled out for the Future Group. So there's going to be a lot of outward that we'll bring in, integrating it with the Future Group values and the Future Group way of doing things and bring them in and roll out for Future Group. And similarly, there'll be a lot of Future Group learnings, minus, let's say, our values and minus the domain specialization that we will take to the world outside.
Can you tell us about the new career options in the retail today?
For somebody who picks up a career in retail today, they need to be on their toes far more often. They need to understand the consumer that much better. They need to be far more aware of what is happening globally. So, wo jo din hua karte the na Bata pricing wale, that's no longer an option. Because even for the Bata pricing of 99.99, there will be a retailer who, by virtue of his warehouse and his supply chain management and lack of retail space, can actually offer that at some 85 rupees. That's his challenge. No longer will a retail career person or retailer of today, he doesn't need to know about visual merchandise. Not only does he need to know actually about visual merchandise and store ops and inwarding and forwarding and tilling, but as much about supply chain logistics, eyeballs, search engine optimization, and that's the future of retail. I mean, I look at your channel, right? You work with the Big Bazaar Direct, and that's the beauty. I just love the format. So not only do we have retail, which is brick and mortar, not only do we have e-tail, which is pure online, but we also have the man in between, the retailer who offers e-tail.
The Seva Bhav at Future Group evokes strong emotions within each and every one of us.
Lending a happy shopping experience through little helping deeds is followed religiously at our group.
सेवा वो है जो निस्वार्थ भावना से की जाती है। मैं किसी की हेल्प करूं और मैं उससे एक्सपेक्ट ना करूं कि मैं अगर उसकी हेल्प कर रही हूं तो वो भी उसके बदले में मुझे कुछ दे। एक कस्टमर आई थी, शी वाज NRI और उनके घर पे फंक्शन था, मैरिज फंक्शन था, तो शी वाज अलोन, वो अकेली थी, तो उन्हें बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करनी थी क्योंकि शादी था। मैंने उनसे इंटरेक्शन किया। जब मुझे पता चला कि उनके घर में शादी है और वो अकेले आई हैं शॉपिंग करने के लिए, तो मैंने उनकी पूरी शॉपिंग करने में हेल्प की, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम FBB। उसके बाद मैं बिलिंग काउंटर तक भी मैंने उन्हें गाइड किया। बिलिंग काउंटर के बाद मैंने एग्जिट करवाया। शी वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी, बहुत हैप्पी थी। उन्हें खुश देख के मुझे खुशी मिली और वो मुझे बहुत सी ब्लेसिंग्स देती गई। यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि कस्टमर से ज़्यादा इंट्रैक्शन करें और उन्हें वो सर्विस दें, उनकी नीड को आइडेंटिफाई करके उन्हें वो चीज़ दें जो वो चाहते हैं।
Hey Isha, I'm a little nervous. Got this lovely Valentine's gift for you. Hope you like it.
I'm flattered. These age-old fundas have really expired. Gone are the days when people used to offer flowers only to impress formally. Try to learn from Dubey ji how to impress beauties.
प्यार करे तो दुबे जी जैसा. Let's hear it from our own Janta how they appease to their loved ones at the time of Valentine's.
वैलेंटाइंस में मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड से खाना बनवाया, टेस्टी। पहले तो वो खाया, देन बाहर गए, घुमा फिरा, एंजॉय किया, बस इतना ही। वैसे और एक गिफ्ट भी लिया, वो तो जेन्युइन है, लेना होता है।
हस्बैंड ने सुबह मनपसंद कॉफ़ी बनाई अपने हाथ की।
I cook for her almost every day
I asked this Valentine Day, please do something for me actually.
Suddenly मेरे लिए एक Swarovski का set लेके आए. So I was very flattered.
This time I took my wife out, went for a long drive.
Unfortunately, I do not have one.
क्योंकि गर्लफ्रेंड ही नहीं है.
ये वैलेंटाइन डे मेरा एकदम स्पेशल था बाकी सारे वैलेंटाइन डे से. द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस वैलेंटाइन वाज दुबे जी.
हाँ, it was awesome.
He reminded me kind of like my father, trying to, do some things which he's never done his entire life just to please my mother.
I wish at 65 we still maintain even a little bit of that excitement in our lives.
दुबे जी का वीडियो देख के सिखाया कि मैं बुढ़ी भी हो जाऊंगी तो भैया ऐसे ही करना तुम. हाँ, और अच्छे गाने पहनना, अच्छे गाने सुनाना, अच्छा खाना बनाना और सीखो थोड़ा.
दुबे जी ने तो 65 इयर्स में बनाना चालू कर दिया, मैंने तो 40 साल में चालू कर दिया है ये.
आपको लव हर तरीके से, हर एज पे आप न्यू तरीके से आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं.
There's more excitement within the news.
And our food and grocery formats triumphed at the Golden Spoon Awards 2015. Let's catch all the action.
Hi, this is Pallavi from Food and Grocery team. We won 2 awards, Golden Spoon Coca-Cola Awards. Dheeraj from winning team will brief us about the awards.
Hi Pallavi. I think Big Bazaar has always been a pioneer of retail, and I think we take our job very seriously as leading the modern trade business in India. And I think that is why we are the most admired, because we do exactly what the customer wants. There are 104 cities and towns where we are present today. Most of these cities and towns where we are present today, we are the only modern trade available. So for people, we are the first movers. For people, we are the modern trade. And it is very exciting that we are making India beautiful by really reaching out to Indian consumers at Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 2 cities. So that has been one more pioneering initiative that Big Bazaar has done to expand Big Bazaar right from Jammu to Kanyakumari, Assam to Surat.
Okay, Dheeraj, how do you see the road ahead?
I think the future is very exciting at Big Bazaar and Food Bazaar, and the whole food and grocery team is very excited to work for our customers. I think we're going to drive the business very, very closely and for our customers, and to ensure that our customers will feel very special to come back to Big Bazaar every time they want to shop.
It's time to fashion it up. Let's meet our group's designers to find out which style tips they have in store for us this month.
Going to men, Isha, the idea is to make them feel pampered yet confident with a wide range of cool office smart wears.
Let's have a look at the first wear. The first look for the day is the Pure Fun Friday play. We all love Fridays. We are very happy with the time that it's going to be a weekend, and so we are already set to party. With Faizan, we have tried to play with the color black, considering he's fair, and also with the color of beige, that is the chinos, to add the fun element. As you can see, Faizan is wearing a Lee Cooper black t-shirt, beige chinos, Lee jeans, and also sporting a Champion's shoes. All available at Brand Factory at pretty heavy discounts. In our second section, we talk about how we lessen the hole in your pockets and play with your existing investment. Breaking the monotony of plainness in the outfit, we have tried to add a checkered shirt which is in the color of navy blue, just only to play with the colors. The entire outfit gives a very playful yet a very formal touch to it with the shirt. In the third section, we are going to be talking about how we can dress the formal wear comfortably. The popularly known as the Nehru jacket is back in fashion. The sleeveless blazer look is a complete good formal wear. As you can see, Faizan is sporting a Chinese arrow shirt with a Nehru jacket by Theme brand and also the grey trousers. To sum it up, we hope you really liked all the 3 fashion tips that we had to give you. If there is any feedback or suggestion or anything that you would like us to showcase in our next episode, please do write us on the email ID below. As of now, goodbye.
That's all we have for this edition of Future Bites. It's time to say goodbye to you all from the national capital. Hope you enjoyed this edition.
Absolutely, Isha. It was great having you on the show. Be there with us till the time we bring you another bunch of news and happenings from our group. Namaste.